I was in Daytona Beach for the weekend for Bike Week. I met this guy that worked for CSX. I asked him if he had a CSX vest in his truck, an extra one. I got a vest. Then he started giving me all kinds of stuff. He gave me that first aid kit and the train whistle. Those pens. He gave me this tape measure. It measures, it's some kind of special tape measure for the railroad. And that little pin, that railroad spike for a hat. He gave me that book. The book on Maintenance Way Bridge. I like that vest. I wish it had CSX on the front and back. I'm going to open this tape measure. There's something about it that's different from a regular tape measure. It measures something for them. I didn't open it far enough. Right here. On 24 it says C. He told me what it was, but I don't remember what he said. It's some kind of railroad tape measure. It's 25 foot. I like it. I like that vest a lot. I wish I had, I wish it said CSX on the front too. Because when I go rail fanning and shoot the train videos, I can wear that. I don't think this first aid kit was ever used. It was never even opened probably. How often do you really need them? It's got all the band-aids. All kind of stuff in there. He said he'll get a brand new one. I like it because it says CSX on it. And that whistle. American Classic. USA. They use that whistle for the train. I'm happy.